Hello and welcome on my course Deep Dive into AWS Lambda for Java developers, which I created especially for those developers who are interested in new trending technology serverless applications. In this course you'll learn the fundamentals of serverless programming. You learn also AWS CLI and AWS SAM CLI. You learn Lambda parameters and configuration settings, how to deploy Lambda function using console and SAM template, running AWS Lambda locally with local stack and in production, developing serverless application using plain Java, Spring Boot and Quarkus, integrating AWS Lambda with Amazon AP Gateway, SQS, DynamoDB, Aurora, Cognita, X-Ray, ECS, EKS, step function to orchestrate Lambda function and AWS batch to replace Lambda for long-term running tasks and orchestrate them using step functions. We also built native AWS Lambda functions for optimized performance and use snap start to fight with cold start. With testing and benchmarking AWS Lambda and code. We building CI/CD pipelines. We're creating a production-ready application with an Angular frontend, and we run AWS Lambda in Kubernetes and display all necessary aspects. So this course includes some projects I show you. Here is a project which triggered by file downloading. This is a REST API, and here is a soft delete pattern which we implemented in our final project. Here's the architecture for our project. We built it with private subnet and we built it with public subnets. We also use Cognita to protect application. There are several ways to protect application using Cognita. And we also use Stream to create sample project. And we, as I mentioned before, we use step function to improve functionality of our complete project. We deploy our project to production and we define domain. We create certificate for it. We create CloudFront distribution. And of course we protect our endpoint, Angular application and Spring Boot function with AWS Cognita. We also deploy our function in Kubernetes, and we use new also trending technology native to work with serverless in Kubernetes cluster. So I hope you enjoy this course and continue.